Hi, this video is going to discuss potential energy. By the end of this video, students will be able to recite the equations and parameters of potential energy. Potential energy is commonly defined as stored energy. This can easily make sense for things like batteries storing electrical energy. We'll get into electricity more in depth in the unit after this, but we're not going to talk about electrical energy in this case today. We're going to talk about specifically mechanical energy. So another way to look at potential energy is the ability of an object to do mechanical work. The more work that an object or system has the ability to do, the more potential energy it has. So we're going to be doing a lot of problems involving gravitational potential energy specifically. There's other types, but this is the main one we're going to focus on. Gravitational potential energy on Earth is due to an object's position above the surface of the Earth. The equation for gravitational potential energy is PE equals mgh. PE stands for potential energy, G stands for the acceleration due to gravity, H stands for the height or the distance above the surface, and M is mass. Sometimes you might see a lowercase g on here to mean gravitational potential energy. Sometimes you won't see it. So if you do see it, that's what it means. The units for potential energy are joules, just like kinetic energy and work. And since doing work changes the energy of a system, it changes kinetic energy as well as potential energy. So work done on a system translates to a change of potential energy. Like if you're doing work to lift something up high, as you lift it, you're doing work against gravity and you're increasing the object's potential energy at the same time. And the amount of potential energy it gains equals the work that you did on it. First challenge question says, which of the following is not a unit for energy? If you said calories, because you're thinking, that's like what you get when you eat food. Well, you eat food to get energy, right? So that is a unit for energy. If you said kilowatt hours, because that sounds weird, well, you're also wrong because that's the unit for electrical energy. Joules is definitely the unit for energy. What's watts the unit for? Power, not energy. So that's the answer to the question. Second question, at which point in the picture would the roller coaster cars have the greatest potential energy? Remember, the equation for potential energy is m times g times h. So gravity likely is staying the same the whole roller coaster ride. The mass of the cars and all the people on it would stay the same. So the only other thing affecting it would be height. So it can't be A. B is the lowest point, so that'll be the lowest potential energy. It won't be D, it'll be C, because that's the highest point on the picture. That's the end of this video. Remember to use your notes to help complete the questions in Schoology and bring your notes with you to class next time to help on the note quiz. Thanks for watching.